Well, good morning from Peterborough. It's Tuesday the 6th. 6th of August. I've just stayed in an extremely posh hotel. Very nice. Very kind of the company to put me up. Peterborough job's done. I'm on my way over to Coventry to drop a load of gear off. So I'm going cross country and the road might be interesting enough to vlog. If so, you'll be watching it now. So I'm now at the Bell Inn. Absolutely beautiful. She's just give us a free upgrade. Felt sorry for us because I'm working night shift. I've got a first ever 4-poster bed. Amazing. How's that? Wow. Absolutely lovely people. Chuffed to bits. It's only 66 miles from here. It's around an hour and a half. I should be there for around 12 o'clock. So it's night shift. Well, started at 2:30 yesterday afternoon, drove down and worked till around 1:30 this morning. So I had exactly 9 off. I got up early as usual. Woke up not knowing where I was. A big massive 4-poster bed, honestly hilarious, but very, very nice. Lovely, friendly staff. The Bell Inn in Stilton. Yep, the cheese place. A14. A14, baby. Click into 6. Roll around. There. Okay. Lots of lights, isn't there? Very tempted to have a look in here to see if it does play fuels. Lovely if it did. Just gonna go in and ask. Does key fuels?
7 years.
Oh, brilliant. Brilliant, brilliant, brilliant. So that was a total which still kept me fueling there. So literally, if you're going to join the A14 westbound, when you're coming down the A1, that first services that you come to is a key fuels. So anyone using key fuel cards, sorted. 3 pumps the usual store. So Marks and Spencer as well. So it's always worth having a little look in that Oops aisle. So what you get in Oops aisle there is normally what you get at Lidl and Aldi and places like that. Anyway, trust me. I know when I'm targeting. So I'm on this one for 50, exactly 50 miles. This guy's slowing down, he's full off the gas. Don't overtake me again, mate. You're going to just overtake and slow down, please. Go home.
The road ahead, it twists and turns, and the sun beats down and it burns. But I keep on pushing through. And every step quicker than the last, my feet tread down this beaten path, and I keep on pushing through. 'Cause I get up and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. Yeah, I get up and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground. And oh, I've come too far in this to raise my flag and call it quits. So I keep on pushing through. Oh, with every step my heart it pounds. Yes, so sure I've had my doubts, but I must keep pushing through. Yeah, I get up and I may fall right back down, but your love lifts me back to solid ground.
There was not meant to be a forklift on there, but luckily one of the guys was about who could drive. I had huge forks. I mean, I literally just got in all my gear, but I got it all off. So I was there for about 40 minutes. Brilliant. Saved messing about with the hire, but probably on my own, take all that off. Well over an hour. Well over. We're just on the M69 now, going to join the M1 in 15 mile and A1M home. Whoop whoop. Whoop whoop, chicken soup. Going to call out of it unless something comes up. Catch ya.